How about this for a simpler one? Grand Theft Auto 5 is coming to the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X and S on November 11th. Just get addicted to this instead. Forget about all those investments, all right? Scrolling, swiping. Who needs it? You can do anything in this world. What an opportunity, though, for Grand Theft Auto. Because you had the whole fiasco that was Cyberpunk, and now you get to come in like you've been doing it, you know? Like you run the place. Say, we're GTA over here. We know what to do. And you get to come to the next gen a little bit later with a bunch of enhancements and get showered with nothing but love, which seems to be the case to this point.
Yeah, this game aged so well.
It's still getting talked about. I see it in my suggestions all the time. It still is the standard.
Yeah, Rockstar made a game afterwards, Red Dead 2, and then this still beats it.
There you go. So people are trying to figure out exactly what's going to happen with the next gen version. Apparently, GTA Online players are going to get some perks ahead of the launch. The launch, I don't know if I said it, November 11th. So that's not immediate, but it's going to launch on PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X and S. But it appears there's some sort of special PlayStation integration because the standalone version of GTA Online will be free exclusively to PS5 owners during the first 3 months. I don't know what type of deal was cut. But, however, as far as the experience is concerned in-game, you will get an expanded and enhanced experience on either platform. So expanded to me says an actual expansion of the game itself, the world. And then enhancement, I'm thinking obviously graphically, and I'm thinking frame rate as well. Seeing an improvement from the previous version. Apparently, PlayStation 4 players are already getting 1 million in virtual currency at the start of each month right now until the game's PS5 debut. So they're trying to build hype for it, obviously. But yeah, it's crazy how long it's been around. When did this game come out, Will? Anyway, I mean, it's still an anticipated title for next-gen consoles, and it came out September 17, 2013. Get out of town, man. Holy cow. Are you kidding me? Is that actually when it came out?
Oh, yeah.
And you and I played it on a King Street location, super old studio, and we made a video about it, and we sat on a couch, and we played it on release date.
Yeah,
we
like
are,
old men.
we're so old. You don't realize it, man. We've been doing this thing. Holy cow, 2013. Sheesh.